So yeah, we're doing the second mission of this place. And I am excited. Wait, I've been there. That's literally just like a way to get there faster. There's cheese rocks there now. Those weren't there before. There's a cannon now. That wasn't there before. There's these now. These weren't here before. What does this cannon do? Okay, bam, I'm getting yited. Oh, it just takes me over here. I don't want to be over here. Bye. What do you want? With that kind of heat, our stupendous stew will be ruined. We've gotta save the stupendous stew. Whoops. Oh, I needed that to light the fires. Well, what I can do, I can teleport back to the Odysseus. Which, yeah, will make him respawn. Oh, go. Okay, that's good. But I still need a pen blow, or a hammer blow, or whatever you want to call it, to deal with those cheese rocks. Because the fact that those are there is very strange. Oh, he came back. Was I always able to get around here? I don't actually know. There's a cannon, but I don't really want to go in the cannon. So, yes, there's some purple coins here. Do what you want. I don't care. Volcano cave entrance. This is just at the plaza. Well then let's head to the plaza. Before that fireball hits me. Well, not head to the plaza. Head to the Odyssey so I can see what there is to grab on the way to the plaza. And where does this lead? Literally nowhere. Wait. Well, luckily, I do actually need to be here. So, oh, there was something blocking this off now. Fine then, let's go this way. Make a giant tower of Goombas. Goombas. Yeah. So you want to come down here. Then I want to wait and Goombas. And Goombas. hear me out. That was so awesome, wasn't it? Anyway. Bye. Sorry. Right. I nearly just went off the edge. Okay. Timer challenge. Oh, I just need to get the key. Okay. Oh, but that's a slight problem. And they don't spawn back? No? Okay. Luncheon Kingdom Timer Challenge 2. That's fine. Whoa! Whoa! This is it. Let's go in here. What am I supposed to do in here? Oh! Oh! I already found a moon. Corner of the magma swamp. Ow! See, this game can be annoying, especially when you die. How do I capture them if I have no rocks? I guess I'm not supposed to capture them. Bye. Okay. I think the last episode, part 1 of Luncheon Kingdom, was the longest video I have ever recorded in my life. It was like, it's probably gonna end up being at least 40 minutes for the actual recording. Or the actual video after I edit it. Okay. Where do I get the pen, bro, to deal with those cheese rocks? Die! What? Okay. That's fine. Okay, so I need what? That. Perfect. Okay, what's in here? Apparently this is where I'm meant to be going. But I can't see any reason. I mean, purple coins, that's a pretty good reason. Oh, can't land on them. If you land on them, you'll turn back into Mario and burn your cheeks off. Where are they coming from? There. Okay. Oh, what's in here? Moon. Alcove behind the pillars of magma. Now I've gotta try to do this again. Oh, I've gotta fill in this one. Easy! Let's grab that moon and simply, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna... Yeah! I got the moon! Yeah! Climb up the cascading magma. See, I've done that. So thank you. Now I need to beat the shit out of the bird. Okay. Yeah. Poor bird. You know, I'm doing this with a plan in mind. Okay, I'm trying. Yeah, that's gonna go. Yeah. Come in, light the far-off lanterns. How many moons am I gonna get from this? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I see Captain Toad. Careful on those flipping platforms up above. Start of the peak. Climb. See, if those invisible blocks weren't there, that wouldn't have happened, but I don't care. Because I got that. Do you think maybe I should just... Captain Toad, hey! Hey, Captain Toad! Hi, what's up? Thanks for the moon. I do need a heal. I just wasted like what? 4 health to get here? So yeah, my strategies in these games are efficient, but not very smart. Oh, I've been there before. That's where I got that stupid second turnip. Careful on those flipping platforms up above. I'm sorry, what? There's flipping platforms? What do you mean? I need 9 more purple coins. Oh, what, these? Oh, yeah, that flipped. Oh, gosh. Please, I couldn't see. Ah, hi. Okay. Oh. There! Oh, wait. If I just lock in like that, I can cook. Amazing jump. Thanks, Cappy. But say that there is one slight problem. There's purple coins there. And purple coins is the meaning of my life. Oh my god. So, yeah. Thanks for the compliment, Cappy, but I risked my life and went back down anyway. You know what? Oh! Oh my god. Now that is very high stupidity from the gaming ferret there. I did it again! I wanna go to that cannon, see where it leads. Because if it leads where I think it might lead, then I need it. Hey, Captain Toad. Oh my god, I nearly went off the edge. Okay, where does this lead? Oh. Are you kidding me? That's all it led to? Okay. Where does this lead me? Bird fight time! Oh! Okay. That bird is high. The bird's high. So, I guess I'm just dodging you while I just grab coins. And then, when can I hit you? What the? Oh my. This bird needs a doctor ASAP. Ooh, again. Ow. Ow. Gotcha. So I need to hit you one more time. So what pattern are you gonna vomit in this time? I'm very curious. You're ruining the stew. The stew's not supposed to have spiky balls in it. Okay. What is this puke pattern? What the hell? I hate this. I literally got you. Now I just have to wait again. Hope that this works out. Just wait for this bird to puke. Can you just puke everywhere for me? Yes, thank you. Good birdie. Maybe I should do that. Oh! I literally got you there. I will not stand for that. Yeah! Yeah! Take that, you dumb bird! Oh, and they just drowns. So the stupendous stew now has bird in it. But I got a multi-moon. I saved the Luncheon Kingdom. Is there another mission? I got another moon, yes. Okay, so we could go after Bowser, but I've got to head straight to the plaza because I've got money. What's this direct? Can you shut up? Literally, Cappy, shut it. I want the vegetable plate. Thank you. The souvenir forks. Thank you. And the Luncheon Kingdom sticker. Thank you. Should I buy this just to be funny? No, I'm not gonna do it. Bye. Okay, back to the Odyssey. Okay. Let's see the sticker. It's right on the part that's rusted up from when Bowser shot us after the Cloud Kingdom. I need 18 more? Screw you, I got 40. Deal with it. I've got 249 moons. I am literally cooking. Bam. 249. The Odyssey has powered up. What's the next kingdom for next episode? Oh, Bowser's there. Now I can head. Oh shit, that can't be good. Oh well, we're cooked. So yeah, next episode we're going to Bowser's Kingdom to end this. It will be, I think, episode 16. I'm doing this. Okay, yeah, this place is looking good now. So, yeah, in the next episode we'll head to Bowser's Kingdom. I think this was episode 15, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So Bowser's Kingdom will be episode 16, glove. And I'm excited. So, I'll see you guys in the next episode when we go to beat the shit out of this turtle man. Bye.